Welcome to Black Ice Productions. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Today, we're going to be putting a Holden airbag into this 2016 Chevy SS. This is going to be a part of the process where we're turning the Chevy SS into the Holden SS. We're going to go ahead and jump into getting this airbag swapped out. It's a really simple process. The only tools you're going to need is a short screwdriver or a pick and the new airbag that's going to be going in. So let's go ahead and get to it. Anytime working with an airbag, you're going to want to disconnect the battery. So we're going to go ahead and take the negative battery cable off. In the SS, the battery is located in the trunk. It's a 10mm socket. So that's it. Let's go ahead and get into the vehicle, and you're going to want a pick or a small screwdriver for the next step. So to start off, you're going to want your steering wheel turned upside down. On the back of the steering wheel, there's these two holes that's going to allow us to use this screwdriver to go in from the back side and push these little clips over in order to release each side of the airbag. Once we get in there, I'll be able to show you guys those clips so you guys can have a better understanding on how they work and how to use the screwdriver to release them. So screwdriver is in the right side, and I'm angling it all the way to the right, and I can feel it catch, and there's a little bit of a spring of this pin, and you can see how it's just popped right off. Then I'm going to go to the other side. You might have to move your steering wheel around so you can get the screwdriver in right. I'm using that screwdriver, it's angled about like this, to go to the edge, find that spring, and just moving it over. Airbag's out. You're gonna have these two clips under here. You use your nail to kind of pop up the safety on them. And they just come unplugged. So here's your old airbag. Now, in here are those two clips, and they're spring loaded. So whenever I have the screwdriver in the back, the screwdriver is going in about right here on the back side of this plate, and I have it angled to this corner, and then I'm prying the screwdriver over to release that. These clips right here engage with the back of the airbag right here. So all I'm doing is moving that over so it can free this part, and then I go to the other side, free this one, pops right out. To reinstall, we have our new airbag. It's got the same connectors. Sure they're in there good. Just gonna line it up. Clips right back into place. There you have it. After making sure the airbag's secure and fully clipped in, you're going to want to reconnect your battery. This same method works for many GM vehicles with this same design airbag. That's going to wrap it up for this video. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you guys like the content that you see, make sure you hit that subscribe button. It really helps us out. So we'll catch you next time. Thanks for watching.